the transmitter on a different frequency, so different antenna.
Let's get rid of this guy. I felt like working on my Heathkit SG signal generator today and finishing it off because I received a couple parts for it and I'm in a good mood because yesterday the doctor took away my crutches, gave me my walking boot after breaking my leg in 2 places and tearing a tendon. Now I can walk again. Now I can cook and carry my food again. So, back to this. Time to put it together. And in a nod to John from Arkansas, who oddly has the YouTube name JoERN1 ONE. JoRN1? JoRN? Is he a registered nurse? I'm teasing him. He and Buzz1151, who lives in Oregon. Notice, Buzz, I said Oregon, like you guys, not Oregon. Okay, I started out using this pointer, which is my plastic screwdriver tool. But I decided no. Buzz and John from Arkansas loves to use a very sharp pencil, which he gets tappy with. Buzz1151, he uses whatever he gets his hands on, and it always looks great. But not as great as that. Huh, Buzz? Huh, Dickle? A Flocket. I was going to use this one for you, Buzz. Look at that pointer. Nah. No need to show off. Okay. That was the only click I'm going to do. We still have this beautiful piece of engineering, this piece of heat shrink tubing, which has been shrunk, by the way, to stiffen it up. Why? Because of our old friend, the flying lead. They stay. However, we can't piss the purists off completely. Hey guys, you got your X1, Y2 safety caps, and from back here, they're nice and straight looking, but whatever. Let's make them a little crooked. And before anybody bitches at me for connecting this safety cap over here instead of to the line, this is hot. This is switched. This cap is switched. It's not staying in line when the unit's turned off. Oh, what else? Flying component, flying resistor in series with the diode. I've talked all about it. Selenium rectifier stays. It's beautiful. It's OEM. What else? Disc caps. Mentioned before. What wasn't mentioned before is this. This is a 0.0047 from the B plus side to ground, because on the schematic we have one right there, which was not present in my unit. So the chassis is not grounded because, as you see here, chassis ground is used as a common point for all these connections. And even though that's not the real problem, that is the transformer, because what we have here is a built-in isolation transformer. Why the hell would you want to ground the chassis when it's isolated? If you want it grounded to your device under test, connect the ground lead to your device under test. How about that? So now I'm starting to sound cranky. Oh, nothing else much to mention. J-hook. There's another. J-hook. Eat that, purists. Why? Because you guys are freaks. You're weirdo freaks. You're control monsters. Okay, every solder joint in the thing heated. buy a real soldering gun. Anything on top to mention? One thing. Again, for you purists out there, for you purist weirdos, our old friend. Let me try to focus. The solder blob. He stays. He stays. What else have I done? Once you focus on something manually, that's it. Piece of crap Samsung phone anyway. I tried. Well, I didn't try. I did. Let me grab my buzz pointer. Here, let's wrap the power cord up inside this thing. All the cloth covered wiring, I made sure that it was not touching the chassis anywhere. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Yeah, you can. Let me focus. Whoa. These are what a mechanic would call witness marks. They have witnessed the fact that one of those wires was rubbing on the chassis. Not good. That won't happen again. Switch is all clean. Unit tested. Calibration checked. Wah wah. You get an upside down view. And that's it. That's it. Calibration, dead nuts on. Everything looking great. All pots cleaned. All switches cleaned. Thank you for watching. And with a parting shot, let's focus for the purist freaks. That BNC connector, that BNC jack is for you. Thanks for watching.